Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backpacking camping stoves that are available on the market right now for their true quality and performance. Whether you're an avid hiker, camper, or just need a reliable stove for outdoor adventures, these options have got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video.
Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Odoland 6-piece camping cookware mess kit.
This is an all-in-one solution for backpackers who want to have their cooking gear compact, lightweight, and organized.
The kit includes 2 aluminum nonstick pots,
A foldable camping stove, a spork, a cleaning cloth, and a mesh carry bag. What makes this set stand out is its space-saving design. All components nest together neatly,
and there's even room to store a small gas canister inside the pots.
The design is durable and practical, featuring anodized aluminum that ensures even heat distribution while being lightweight. The foldable handles save space and provide a secure grip, which is a nice touch. However, the included stove is relatively basic, so while it gets the job done, you might find it lacking in windy conditions. For casual camping trips or short hikes, though, this set is a fantastic value, especially since it provides all the essentials. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the upside, it's a budget-friendly, compact system with everything you need for cooking on the go. On the downside, the stove's performance in less than ideal weather conditions could be better, and it's not the most durable option in the long haul. Overall, the Odoland 6-piece mess kit is ideal for beginner campers or those who prioritize portability over advanced stove features. Coming in at number 4, we have the AOTU portable camping stove with piezo ignition. This minimalist stove is built for those who prioritize lightweight gear without compromising on functionality. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, it's highly resistant to rust and radiation, making it perfect for repeated outdoor use. The foldable design ensures EV storage, and it comes with its own plastic carrying case. The adjustable control valve allows for precise flame control, whether you need a quick boil or a slow simmer. Performance-wise, the AOTU stove boasts 3,000 watts of power, allowing you to boil water quickly. It's compatible with most butane-propane mixed fuel canisters, EN 417 standard, though it doesn't fit propane canisters. One standout feature is the honeycomb high-temperature windproof net, which enhances combustion efficiency and reduces fuel waste. However, it lacks a built-in igniter, so you'll need a lighter or matches to get it going. In terms of value, this is an excellent option for solo backpackers or campers who want a reliable, no-frills stove that's budget-friendly. On the downside, it's not as stable with larger pots, so it's best suited for smaller cookware. Overall, the AOTU portable stove is a great choice for quick adventures or as a backup stove in your camping kit. At number 3, we have the Odoland Camping Cookware Stove Kit, which offers a more comprehensive setup for campers looking for a versatile cooking system. This 9-piece kit includes a mini stove, 2 aluminum non-stick pots, a stainless steel cup, utensils, and a carry bag. The anti-slip, anti-heat pot handles and silicone cup protector are thoughtful additions that enhance usability in outdoor conditions. This set is designed to meet the needs of campers who want to cook full meals on the go. The build quality is solid, with non-toxic anodized aluminum that heats evenly and is easy to clean. The mini stove folds down to save space, and the included tripod stand provides added stability for cooking. While the pots are great for small to medium-sized meals, they may be too small for larger groups. The set's portability and lightweight design make it ideal for short backpacking trips or picnics. The biggest appeal of this kit is its all-in-one convenience. However, the stove, while functional, isn't as powerful as standalone options and struggles a bit in windy conditions. If you're looking for a balance of affordability, portability, and versatility, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for couples or small groups who want to enjoy a hot meal in the great outdoors. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 backpacking and camping stove system. This is a highly efficient, integrated cooking system that's designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. With its industry-leading heat exchange technology, it reduces boil times by up to 30%, making it a great option for those who want to save fuel and time. The 1-liter hard anodized aluminum pot is both durable and lightweight, featuring a locking stainless steel handle and a neoprene insulating cover for safe handling. What sets the Fire Maple apart is its all-in-one design. The stove, bowl, and even a fuel canister, not included, can fit inside the pot, making it incredibly compact and travel-friendly. The built-in piezoelectric igniter ensures hassle-free ignition, and the system works well in most weather conditions, although a windscreen is recommended for optimal performance. Weighing just 18 ounces, it's a fantastic choice for hikers and backpackers who prioritize efficiency and portability. On the downside, the Fire Maple system is a bit pricier than basic stoves, and it's not compatible with Coleman fuel canisters. However, its durability, efficiency, and integrated design make it well worth the investment for solo adventurers or small groups. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance stove system, this one is hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. This is the gold standard for ultralight backpacking stoves, and for good reason. Weighing just 2.6 ounces, this stove is incredibly compact, yet powerful, boiling 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. Its serrated pot supports provide excellent stability for a variety of cookware, and the flame adjustability is perfect for everything from simmering to full rolling boils. The design is minimalist yet robust, with an easy-to-use setup that requires no priming or preheating. It's fueled by isobutane propane canisters, which are widely available and self-sealing for added safety. The included hard shell carry case protects the stove during transport, making it ideal for backpackers who need to save space and weight. One of the standout features is its performance in windy conditions. It holds up exceptionally well, even without a windscreen. The PocketRocket 2 excels in every category: performance, portability, and durability. Its only real downside is that it doesn't include a built-in igniter, so you'll need to bring a lighter. However, for the price and quality, it's hands down the best option for serious backpackers or anyone who wants a reliable, ultralight stove for outdoor adventures. If you're looking for the ultimate backpacking stove, the MSR PocketRocket 2 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the top 5 backpacking camping stoves. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Safe travels and happy camping!